Hi, in front of me is Realme 7 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Shadow Galaxy. Firstly, open Play Store, then type Shadow Galaxy and download this app from this developer. Now open it, tap on Settings and adjust your wallpaper. If you're done, go back, click Open, tap Set As, and choose if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of these options. Now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!